Hi everyone. Today again we will look at some more problems on indices and we will focus on problems of this type. Here it's given if A is equals to C to the power Z, B is equals to A to the power X and C is equals to B to the power Y, prove that X, Y, Z is equals to 1. Now, to solve this one, we will first write down the given equations and number them. Suppose this is 1, B is equals to A to the power X, this is 2, and C is equals to B to the power Y is 3. Now, first step, what we will do is, in the value of C, we will replace the value of B. So, substituting the value of B from equation 2 in equation 1. So what, in equation 3. So you have C is equals to B to the power Y. Now we'll replace the value of B, and what is the value of B? The value of B is A to the power X to the power Y. When we simplify, we get A to the power XY. Suppose this is your equation 4. Now what we do? We again substituting the value of C now. The value of C from equation 4 in first equation in equation number 1. Now equation number 1, as we know, is A is equals to C to the power Z. So we can write A is equals to A to the power X, Y to the power Z. When we simplify this one, then we can write A to the power X, Y, Z. Now, we know one of the laws of indices. If the bases are same, the exponents has to be same. Here the exponent is 1. Therefore, we can write X, Y, Z is equals to 1. Remember what we did? We applied the laws of indices, which says if the bases are same, the exponents has to be same. Hence, this is proved. Okay, there is another one. In this case, it's given if 2 to the power X is equals to 3 to the power Y is equals to 6 to the power minus Z, then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y plus 1 by Z is equals to 0. Now, to solve this one, we will first write down all these values to be equals to any arbitrary value, say suppose k. So we write down 2 to the power X is equals to 3 to the power Y is equals to 6 to the power minus Z is equals to k. So from here we can figure out that now 2 will be equals to k to the power 1 by X. When this goes on the other side, it becomes a reciprocal. Similarly, 3 will become k to the power 1 by Y, and 6 will become k to the power minus 1 by Z. Now let's look at our target. What we are supposed to get? 1 by X plus 1 by Y plus 1 by Z. So how can I get plus 1 by Z and plus 1 by Y? If I multiply 2 into 3, then their powers will be added. And if I divide it by 6, then this power will also be added even though the sign is negative. So now we find the product. 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is k to the power 1 by X into k to the power 1 by Y. That is 6 is equals to k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now we find the quotient. Quotient 6 divided by 6. Now we are dividing by this 6. So k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y divided by k to the power 1 by z. The left hand side now becomes 1. We can write this as k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y into k to the power 1 by z. In the next line we can write 1 is equals to k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now in order to compare we must have the same base. So how do we make the same base k here? We know that anything to the power 0 is 1. So instead of 1 we can write k to the power 0, and on the right hand side we have k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now the bases are same. Now again using the laws of indices, if the bases are same, the exponents has to be same. Therefore we can write 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equals to 0. Hence, fruit.